Welcome back to Roger Adventures. If you are new, my name is Roger, and on this video I'm gonna show you how I painted this fall rock. Really simple, easy to do. Just follow this tutorial and you're gonna be able to do it. So I started by making the background with some white paint, but I added a little touch of yellow so it has a different background because it's fall, so usually everything is yellow and orange, so I decided to add just a little bit of yellow touch on the background. So I started by drawing the leaves with a pencil. So this rock is really easy to do. I just drawing a line across the rock with the pencil. I started drawing the leaves just randomly. You can do it any size that you want. You don't have to do it with pencil. You can do it with a marker, with permanent markers. It's just that once you are done, you actually have to cut it with acrylic base lacquer or coat, and then you can do it with resin. But this style, it's the first time that I'm trying it. It's basically almost as watercolor. Even though I'm using acrylics, what I did, I just grabbed a little bit of the paint and I added some water. I mix it really well, and then you clean your brush, because if you just try to put the paint with the brush that you just mixed, it comes too loaded with paint, so it comes with a lot of paint. So I mix it with the brush and then I clean it. I wipe it off. I didn't clean it, I just wipe it off, I'm sorry, and then apply a little bit of the paint. As you can see, the paint is very runny, and if you just paint over again or you just run the brush on top of the rock, it dissipates the color. But I love this style of painting. Again, this is the first time that I'm doing it, but I hope you like this video. If you do, give me a thumbs up, and also I want to remind you to subscribe to my channel. If you are new and you like the content of this channel, I do paintings for rocks, but if you want me to paint something else, let me know. Also, I have a Facebook page. If you do paint these rocks and you follow my tutorials, I want you to please share your pictures and give me a permission to share them on my YouTube channel. Or I can give you a shout out, or if you want to be featured in my channel and you do paint rocks, you can just send me an email and I will get in contact with you so I can have you done a rock on this video. You don't have to show your face. You can do just recording the paint. Or if you want to give a shout out to somebody, let me know in the comment section below and I will do it on my next video. So again, I just use basically basic colors. I use green, yellow and red. Those are the only three colors that I use for this painting, and they're very watered down. I know some other painters use some other forms of liquids to thin out the paint, but I was trying out this new style. So I hope you like this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up again, and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you on my next video. Have a blessed day.